Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on another mega development taking place at the Norman Manley International Airport. Now, Regency Petroleum plans to build a $300 million gas station at the airport. Now, I'm not sure if you guys remember, but there used to be a gas station at the airport. It used to be a Petcom. Right by the roundabout that you have the flags, there was a gas station there. So Regency Petroleum is going to build their massive new station out there, 300 million. And this gas station is going to have something that the airport needs badly, a convenience store. Now everybody knows that flights can be delayed. So sometimes you go to pick up somebody at 10 and that flight is delayed and doesn't get in till probably a few hours later. So when you have a gas station, or I should say a convenience store, where you can buy whatever you need to wait, it's a game changer. And a lot of times the food places at the airport, on the outside at least, close. And an airport should be airport is a 24-hour operation. So it doesn't matter what time of the night you're there, or shouldn't matter what time you're there, you should have access to these amenities. So this is definitely a good move. So we are going to give you more information on what's happening here. A major commercial development is set to reshape the entrance to Norman Manley International Airport as Regency Petroleum moves forward with plans to build a new $300 million state-of-the-art service station. The project is one of the company's largest single investments and signals growing confidence in Jamaica's transportation and tourism sectors. The new service station will be located near the airport and is designed to serve far more than motorists looking to refuel. Plans include modern fuel pumps, a spacious convenience store, a quick service restaurant, and office space for Regency Petroleum's Kingston operations. The development aims to create a one-stop destination for airport employees, taxi operators, rental car customers, residents, and the millions of passengers who travel through NMIa each year. According to Regency Petroleum, the investment has increased from the original estimate to approximately $300 million, reflecting the expanded scope of the project and the company's commitment to delivering a modern, high-quality facility. The station is expected to become a key commercial hub at the gateway to Jamaica's capital city. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.